Picture your current workflow when you need to send a professional message in another language. You draft it in your notes, copy it, open a translation app, copy that, open an AI assistant, and paste it back into chat. It is a tedious loop of constant app switching. TypeIt4U consolidates that entire process. It places translation, AI generation, and text formatting directly inside your keyboard, working identically across every app you use. To set this up today, you need three things: an Android phone, any messaging app, and a physical printed document, like a business card or a menu, nearby. Removing the friction of jumping between screens turns a 5-minute drafting process into a 5-second action. Step 1 is installation. Download TypeIt4U from the Google Play Store and follow the Android prompts to enable it and set it as your system's default keyboard. At this point, the main concern with third-party keyboards is privacy. The fear is that an AI keyboard is logging keystrokes or reading incoming private messages. Operating on a strict zero permissions architecture, the AI engine is completely walled off from your standard typing. It only processes the exact text you deliberately paste. Otherwise, the AI sees absolutely nothing, giving you AI power without compromising your daily messaging security. You stay entirely in control. Real security relies on strict structural design like this, rather than asking you to trust a corporate privacy policy. Before we look at the AI features, let's optimize your basic typing. We will start with Magic Shortcuts, a tool built to eliminate the repetitive text you type every day. By typing a simple dot command like .time or .date, the keyboard instantly expands that into the current time or today's date. You can also create custom expansions for long inputs like your full email or home address. It also features an inline calculator. If you type a basic mathematical equation and press the spacebar, the keyboard calculates the math and replaces your equation with the exact answer. This diagram illustrates the long press mechanic. Instead of switching to the symbol menu, holding down a letter key for exactly 400 milliseconds triggers the hidden symbol associated with that key, like an @ sign or a hashtag. Shaving 2 seconds off a mathematical calculation or an email address insertion compounds rapidly over weeks of steady use. Now let's put the AI engine to work. We are going to use the core 4-step workflow to generate a professional reply to a complex incoming message. Phase 1 is the paste. Copy the message you received and deliberately paste it into this distinct AI toolbar located directly above the keyboard. This deliberate action is what crosses the privacy boundary we discussed earlier. Phase 2 is the command. Tap the auto reply feature. The AI reads the pasted text and instantly generates 3 distinct context-aware responses for you to choose from. Phase 3 is the translate step. If you need to reply in Tamil, Hindi, or any of the 22 supported official Indian languages, tap the translate button to convert your selected English response fluently into that native script. Phase 4 is your manual fallback. If you want to type the rest of the message yourself, enable bilingual mode. The system automatically maps those English keystrokes to their exact phonetic equivalents in your native script, right in the prediction bar. Cautionary. As a best practice, remember that you dictate what the AI processes. Never paste sensitive passwords or financial data into the AI prompt bar. Completing this localized 4-step sequence removes the friction and mental fatigue of cross-language professional communication. Text input isn't limited to digital messages. Let's look at optical character recognition, or OCR, a technology that extracts text from images to bridge the gap between physical objects and your digital chat windows. Grab that printed document or business card you set aside. Tap the OCR reader icon directly in your keyboard interface, point your camera at the paper, and capture the text. This graphic shows how the extraction works. It uses Google ML Kit, a machine learning model that runs entirely offline within your phone's local hardware. It requires 0 internet connection to process the image and copy the text. True efficiency requires removing friction at every level, including the time it takes to manually type out information from the physical world into a digital format. In just a few minutes, you have successfully secured your standard typing data, utilized automated math shortcuts, generated a translated AI reply, and digitized a physical text without leaving your messaging app. You can start using these tools immediately on the free plan. This tier includes the core features, but places a hard daily cap of 15 AI requests and 5 OCR scans per day. This board breaks down the exact differences. For heavy users or business owners, the Pro plan removes those daily caps entirely, unlocking unlimited AI requests, unlimited OCR scans, and full access to all 22 translation languages. Communication is the foundation of digital work. Upgrading the tool you use to physically input that communication is the highest leverage digital upgrade a professional can make.